Late last year, we made an exciting announcement on our website about an upcoming TV show all about RVing called The RVers.
Now, since then, we've talked about it a little bit on Instagram and even down below in the comments on some of our videos. We've chatted back and forth with people who saw our post on our website and knew about it. But we haven't made any official announcement here on YouTube until
here
today.
We are. Ta-da.
That's what this is. We are announcing that there's a new TV show about RVing coming to PBS this year called The RVers. And the big exciting news about it, for us anyway, is we will be co-hosting it.
That's right.
Now, if you already heard about the show, don't go away because we have a couple of updates for you. But if this is your first time hearing about it, maybe you haven't seen the show teaser yet. So here's a little bit of that. Check out what's coming. The show was created by Anthony Nalli, who is more famous, at least so far, for a show called The Aviators, which is now in its 8th season on PBS. And when Anthony asked us to get involved, we were most interested because we have so much respect for the work he's done on The Aviators, and he told us it was going to be a similar format here. And we're also excited about our co-hosts.
Right, we're also being joined by our friends Cherie and Chris of Technomadia, who are the gurus of mobile connectivity, and they have been on the road almost as long as we have as full-time RVers and have a lot of great information that they're going to be sharing with us.
They're also dear friends of ours. We've been on screen with them before, sharing time in various places as they are full-timers, and so are we, so we connect with them whenever we're in the same area. Now also, Tom and Caitlin Morton of Mortons on the Move will be joining us.
That is a new announcement. That's news most people don't know about yet.
If you follow Tom and Kate already, they did announce it recently, but they were not announced in our original post about it on our website. That is a late update. So they are also dear friends of ours, and they have been on the road for quite a number of years with lots of experience in many things, including cinematography and aerial photography, and they will bring a wonderful feel and look to their segments on the show as well. Now, one of the things that was most appealing to us about the show was the fact that Anthony assured us that, like The Aviators, The RVers is going to be done documentary style. It will not be a reality show. It will be a real show.
That's right.
All about real things and real people, exactly like things have been on our YouTube channel, where instead of having manufactured drama or situations, we talk about the real world and what RVing is really like. More documentary style.
And educational, which is exactly our favorite thing.
That's how we've been doing things all these years on YouTube, and it was one of the most appealing things to us about joining the show. Now, another part of the show that we were very interested in participating in was the learning aspect. You may have noticed that our recent YouTube videos have included some that have some different style, different production quality, different production values than we've had in the past. And that's because Anthony is a wealth of knowledge, and we've been learning a lot of new techniques. We've gotten a lot of new equipment, including that camera behind us.
Right.
That is all part of broadcast television standards, and we're learning, and we want to keep learning.
That's right. There's a lot of things that are different between broadcast TV and broadcasting on YouTube. And so we've been picking up as much as we can, and thanks to Anthony, who's been very eager to share, we hope we've been learning a lot.
So we will have more updates for you as time goes on. One of the best ways to find out what's happening with the show is, if you haven't already done it, subscribe. If you're not subscribed to our YouTube channel, You should do that.
That's right.
Oh, see, now you can tell we're outside. See, if that bug had flown by while we were over there, I couldn't have explained why we had a
You would have
bug.
thought we had a buggy RV.
So subscribe here, but also on our website, thervgeeks.com. We'll be providing updates there, Instagram as well.
That's right.
And
Also on any of our other co-hosts' channels, so you can look for Cherie and Chris here on YouTube, or Tom and Kate Morton of Mortons on the Move here on YouTube, or find them on their websites, mortonsonthemove.com
or
and
technomadia.com.
we'll put links to all of this stuff down below in the post on our website or in the description here on YouTube.
Also, the website for the show will have lots of information available. That is thervers.tv, and probably the most up-to-date place to get details, the Facebook page of the RVers TV show, which is
The RVers TV on Facebook.
right. So go to those sources to find out what's happening. We will be providing updates as they're available. Right now, the most important update I can give you is that the show is shooting. It has been. The editing is actually underway. And
The show was originally supposed to air at the end of 2019, but that's been pushed up to the fall of 2019. And we don't have a specific date yet, but again, if you subscribe here or anywhere else, you'll find out as soon as we know.
not anywhere else. Not anywhere else.
No, true.
All the places that are listed down
That's
below.
right.
Anyway, that's all we've got for you for now. If you're just hearing about this, we're excited to tell you about this. If you are looking for updates, this is
the
a
latest.
little teaser for you.
Everything we know to date.
So thanks for being here with us. And as always, safe travels.
And thanks for watching. Late last year, we made an exciting announcement on our website about an upcoming TV show all about RVing called The RVers.
Now, since then, we've talked about it here in the comments section on YouTube with some of you who know about it, talked about it a little bit on Instagram, but we haven't actually made an official announcement about the show here on YouTube. So
Ta-da!
that's what we're here for today. This is the official announcement of the new television show called The RVers, coming to PBS this fall.